Hello students, welcome back. So in this session, I'm going to be talking about changing the shape of NumPy arrays using Transpose. So first thing we do, we import our NumPy as NP. So select, copy and paste, run this code over here and run this cell. And there you go. Let me increase the size of the screen so it's visible. All right, that's better. Okay, now transpose is an operation. It basically what it does for a two-dimensional arrays, okay, or in other words, for matrices, it swaps rows and columns. So your rows becomes columns and your columns becomes rows. That's what it does. On the other hand, if it's an n-dimensional arrays, it reorders the dimension based on the given axis. So a few things are notable things about these transpose. Number one, is array.t. This is best for 2D array. So anytime when you have to do transpose of an array, of a two-dimensional array, this is a better option right here. It's quick, it's fast, and it's less keystrokes. Or if you want to do for higher, more dimension, let's say 3D, 4D, or 5D dimensions, then this is the one that you want to use. Okay, this is an inbuilt method, by the way, dot transpose. So application, where do we use these transpose? So sometime when you are doing matrix multiplication, okay, you need to reshape your matrix, or when you're doing PCA, principal component analysis. So they require your matrix in a certain shape. So that's what you need your transpose. They're a very handy tool. So let's say I want to transpose a 2D array using array.t. I want to use that. So what it's going to do, this one is going to change my n by m matrix into an m by n matrix. So let's see this through an example. All right. So I have a matrix. Let me run this cell first. So I have this matrix x equal to np.array 537. So this is my array right here. Okay, this is my simple 2D array, and I just change the shape of that. So what just happened is this. So this is my 537, 537, and 259 right here. This is my original array, and this one, the shape is 2 by 3. So when I do transpose of this matrix, okay, so this is my original matrix right here, okay, and when I do transpose, what's going to happen is that 537, this one right here, okay, this column will turn into a row. So this will become 537, and likewise this 259, this row right here, this is row, this whole thing is gonna be written like this: 259, and there you go. So you can see this 2 by 3 has turned into a 3 by 2. So your horizontal rows, okay, they're gonna come over here, and then they're gonna become vertical over here. These horizontal rows, they're gonna become vertical over here like this. All right, so just be aware of these things. This is how transpose happens. Okay, so I did my transpose right here, and it did my transpose. So let's take another example to actually really help understand this concept a little bit more. So let's say I have this array. This is an array. Its shape is 3 by 4. You can see 3 rows, okay, and 4 columns. So let's do print my x. Okay, I print my x right here. This is my x right there, and then I want to do my transpose. So I do my transpose by saying invoking this dot t. Okay, and then I print my transpose. When I print my transpose, you can see this is my result. So 624 right here. This 624 has turned. This was basically horizontal right here. Okay, 624 was horizontal, and this has become vertical right here. Right this. Okay, same thing with 3, 4, 5, 6. These elements, and these elements have come over here. So the horizontal rows, they become vertical, and same thing with the last one. Okay, if you try to do a transpose of rank 1 or one-dimensional array, it does nothing. So I have this array right here. Okay, it's an NP array 1, 2, 3, and I'm printing my V, and I'm also printing a transpose of V. And if I print that thing, you can see that it does nothing. Just be aware of that. I can also do transpose using np.transpose. So this is my inbuilt method. Okay, transpose. I can do that too. So I'm going to do the same thing. Come over here, and I have the same array, same as the one I just showed you. I print my x. This time I'm doing my transpose using this inbuilt method, np.transpose x, and I print my array. And you can see it actually transposed it. This is my 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 matrix, okay, has turned into a 3 by 2 matrix. This is my 3 by 2 matrix right here. Okay, so I can use x dot t, or I can use np.transpose x in there. Okay, specify your x as a parameter. I can do transpose for 3 by 4 too, by the way. So this is another example. I'm using a method np.transpose, and I'm doing it this on 3 by 4 matrix. And there you go. So this is the same matrix, right? This is my matrix right here, and I'm transpose this. It changes into this matrix right there. All right. I hope this session helps. Thank you.